In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your personal Waze travel pass settings in Chrome and adjust them so the app can better avoid costly restricted toll areas. To begin, open Chrome and sign in to your Waze account if needed. Once you're in, go to your personal travel pass parameters menu. This is the area where Waze lets you manage the driving permissions, toll-related options, and special pass settings connected to your route planning. It's worth taking a moment here because these settings can directly affect the roads Waze considers available when building a trip. When you arrive in that menu, look for the section labeled Tolls and High Occupancy Vehicle Passes. Open that section and review the available pass types carefully. Waze uses this information to determine whether you're allowed to enter certain toll roads, managed lanes, or HOV access routes. If these options are set incorrectly, your route suggestions may include roads you can't legally use or fail to include roads you actually do have access to, so it's important to make sure this section reflects your real driving permissions. Next, find the profile options related to regional restricted toll zone licenses. In this part of the settings, you'll want to exclude those licenses from your profile options. This tells Waze not to assume you have authorization to drive through restricted toll zones that require special regional access. Making this change helps prevent the app from sending you through areas that could result in unnecessary charges or access restrictions. It also improves route accuracy, especially if you regularly drive near cities or regions that use controlled toll entry systems. After that, enable the option that allows Waze to calculate alternative perimeter roads automatically. This is a very useful setting because it helps the app look for detours around expensive restriction zones instead of routing you directly through them. In practical terms, that means Waze will try to favor outer roads or bypass routes when they make sense, helping you reduce toll exposure while still getting efficient navigation. Once everything is updated, double check your selections before leaving the menu. Accurate travel pass settings can make a big difference in the quality of your route suggestions, especially if you commute through areas with a mix of toll roads, HOV